Hey, Sarah, where do you live?
Hi, Jenny. I live in a small town called Greenville. It's peaceful and surrounded by hills and trees. How about you?
I live in the city, right in the middle of downtown. It's always busy, but I love the energy. What's your house like?
I live in a cozy cottage. It has 2 bedrooms, a small kitchen, and a living room. There's even a little porch with a swing. What about you?
I live in an apartment on the 8th floor. It's modern and has 2 bedrooms, a living room, and a balcony with a great view.
That sounds nice. Do you like living there?
Yeah, I love it. Everything's close by, but it can get noisy. Do you like living in Greenville?
Oh, yes. It's so quiet, and the air is fresh. Plus, the stars look amazing at night.
I wish I could see the stars like that. Does your house have a garden?
Yes, we do. It's small, but we grow flowers and vegetables. Do you have any plants?
Just a few on the balcony. My mum takes care of them. Do you enjoy gardening?
I love it. Last summer, I planted herbs. They make everything smell so good.
That's cool. What's your neighbourhood like?
It's quiet and friendly. There's even a little bakery nearby that I love. What's yours like?
Mine's lively, with shops, cafes, and parks all around. But it can get loud, especially at night.
I guess that's the trade-off for living in a city. What's your favorite spot in your apartment?
Definitely the balcony. I love sitting there in the morning with a cup of tea. What about your house?
The porch, for sure. Sitting on the swing in the evening is so relaxing.
That sounds lovely. Do you have any special memories of your house?
Lots. Last winter, we made a snowman in the garden. What about you?
Watching fireworks from the balcony on New Year's Eve. It felt magical.
That's amazing. If you could change one thing about your apartment, what would it be?
I'd make it quieter. And you?
I love a bigger garden. But honestly, I wouldn't trade my little house for anything.
Same here.
I guess we both love our homes in different ways.
Essential vocabulary for describing your living place.
Types of homes.
Apartment, flat.
A set of rooms for living in, usually in a building with many similar units.
Bungalow.
A single-story house, often with a garden.
Cottage.
A small, cozy house, typically found in the countryside.
Villa.
A large and luxurious house, often found in holiday locations.
Duplex.
A house divided into 2 separate living spaces.
Penthouse.
A luxurious flat on the top floor of a tall building. Adjectives for describing homes.
Spacious.
Having a lot of space inside.
Cozy.
Comfortable and warm.
Compact.
Small but efficiently designed.
Modern.
Stylish and up-to-date in design.
Traditional.
Having a classic or old-fashioned style.
Luxurious.
Very comfortable and expensive.
Elegant.
Stylish, tasteful, and attractive.
Rustic.
Simple and charming, often associated with the countryside.
Minimalist.
Simple, with very few decorations or items.
Homely.
Comfortable, welcoming, and like home. Rooms and features.
Balcony.
A small platform outside a building, usually connected to a room.
Terrace.
A flat, open space outside a house or on the roof.
Porch.
A covered entrance to a house.
Dining room.
A room where meals are eaten.
Study, office room.
A room used for work or studying.
Walk-in closet.
A large cupboard or small room for storing clothes.
Pantry.
A small room or cupboard for storing food.
Attic.
A space or room just below the roof of a house.
Basement.
A room or space below the ground floor.
Fireplace.
A space in a wall where a fire can be lit for heating. Neighbourhood and surroundings.
Bustling.
Full of activity and noise.
Quiet.
Peaceful and silent.
Suburban.
A residential area outside a city.
Urban.
Related to a city or town.
Rural.
Related to the countryside.
Community.
A group of people living in the same area.
Countryside.
A rural area with fields, forests, or farmland.
Scenic views.
Beautiful landscapes you can see from a place.
Park nearby.
A green space close to your home for recreation.
Public transport access.
Close to buses, trains, or other forms of transport. Miscellaneous vocabulary.
Well furnished.
Fully equipped with furniture.
Newly renovated.
Recently repaired or improved.
Close-knit community.
A group of people who are very supportive and friendly.
Eco-friendly features.
Things that are good for the environment, like solar panels.
Energy efficient.
Using less energy to do the same work, such as with energy-saving lights.
Secure.
Safe and protected.
Vibrant atmosphere.
Full of life and energy.
Overcrowded.
Too full of people or things.
Secluded.
Quiet, private, and away from people.
Two-story.
Having 2 floors.
Single-story.
Having 1 floor.
Rundown.
In poor condition.
Rented house.
A house you pay rent for.
Well done, everyone. Don't forget to practice using today's vocabulary. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time. Keep learning.